All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning back. This is the part where I'm going to show you how to make the pedal which is attached to the Y. All right. So this is what I'm going to show you how to make. All right, guys. This is what I'm going to propose you what you need, because this project could be done with different materials, all right? But I went with Logic. I went with what I had, and Logic gave me my part to be connecting, positive, negative, and you just flick it in here. All right, very important. Basically given away. It's like $1 something, $1 something. Okay, this is the wire. This is the pedal. I don't know if you could see. All right, this used to be the bottom part of a blinds that go on a window. You know, goes up, goes like this. This is the part that's on the bottom, and he holds everything. You know, it's like the weight of it. All right, so I opened it. This is my pedal. You will need a Y. This is PVC tube, okay, which I shaped on my stove. I have a hot gun, but I just did it on the stove just to prove a point that it's easy. You don't need to have a gun. Like not everybody has a heat gun. You will need this to be your spacer to make it like this instead of it being like this. All right. And you will need electrical tape. All right, so everything is gonna go on the side, and I just want you to focus that it doesn't matter that this wire is dual color. Okay, I'm just showing you a wire. Just pretend this is the same wire. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. It's one wire, guys. All right, from here to here, it's one wire. You're gonna cut it. Okay, this is attached, remains attached. Okay, and look what's gonna happen. All right, you're gonna put this in here. So one side goes the positive, the other side goes the negative. All right, so you decide what you want to do, which side it's gonna be. All right, I'm just gonna cut it a bit. Yeah, have it flush. No, I'll put it on this one. Have it flush, that's it. And you just attach it, all right? So now the part you cut became the negative to the positive, or vice versa. All right? So this part here is gonna be, so this is where you cut it. It used to be one wire, okay? You put it here. Attach it. All right? So you got your positive, negative. This, pretend it's the same wire. As I said, it doesn't matter, it's two colors. I just wanted to prove you a point that this would be the pedal and this would be the attachment part to the machine, to the Y. Now, what did I do? I took needles. You will need needles. Okay, a needle. Okay, and I stuck it because this is speaker wire, so it's perfect. You push it inside, okay? So I cut it around this much, whatever, this much. You could do it shorter, longer, whatever. Depends what you're doing, how you're doing, what materials you're using. Okay, but I suggest you use needles because first of all, you should have, like literally, you should have. And if you don't have, well, you will get. You understand what I mean? And cut it like this, and then you put it like this. Right? And now, the part where you attach it with the tape. Alright, so the pedal is almost done. And you will see what I mean. Like literally, the pedal is almost done. Like I mean the whole setting, not just the pedal. How am I gonna put it there? I guess, yeah. Alright. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I attach, because this part, it's like a bit wiggly, okay? It's good to be wiggly, don't worry. In the worst case, you could fill it up with hot glue if you want. If you want. It's all relevant. Me, I like it to be wiggly because it goes better on these machines. So, just gonna stretch it a bit. And that's it. This side is done. And you attach the other side eventually. So around there. And that's when you mess up the tape. I hate it when this happens. Okay, let's cut it and start over from the top, I guess, and that's where they will end up meeting. Was there just to prevent from happening? Yeah, you see? That's what you need. All right, let's continue taping, but this time I'll cut it out. I don't even know how long I need. Okay, lengthwise it wasn't bad. Anyways, this is just temporary, okay? I'm most probably gonna end up putting some glue just to stabilize it because it's too hollow here. But it depends on your setting, guys. It's all relevant to your setting. And this, you know what I like with this? Because I could adjust it. I could adjust it. But don't pull it from this because it's gonna come out of the plastic tube and you don't want that. Alright, so look. Let's see if it works. Because on this side, I have my pedal ready because this is my pedal contact ready. This is what you need to have. like two little plates making contact. That's all it's taking. So let's see if it works. Let's plug it on the machine like this and like this. Hold on, let me just push more. Yeah, I have more control like that. It wiggles too much. And there you go. So like that, I could close them. I could lock them like this. All right. So now I'm just gonna plug it in. See if it works. Remember, positive, negative. This is one wire. Remember. Let's see. Shall it work? So yeah. All right. Let's see if it works. Oh, okay. We got it. There we go. All right. So you take this part. Well, you unplug it. You don't want it to be on contact. Now this is the part where I'll plug my heat gun to the... I just plugged in the heat gun. No, sorry. What am I saying? I just plugged in my glue gun. That's what I wanted to say. I'm so sorry. I had something else in mind. So, yeah. Your pedal is gonna consist of you stepping and that's it. The contact points being like there. Something like that. One there. One there. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Gonna make sure that it works. Okay, let's see if it works on 5 volt. Oops. No, it jumps it. Oh, you see? It works. It's just how you contact it. You see now I'm set on 5 volts, but it's giving less than 5. Well, actually, it was giving 5. See, it's all how you set it, and as I said, it's all relevant to your power supply. So now it's going back to 3. You see? That works. So you see what I mean? My glue gun, is it ready? Not yet. So now I'm just gonna pull them backwards. All right. And I'll have them like this. Something like this. Oops, wasn't even on it. Sometimes forget I'm recording. You see, you have to be stuck. And at this point, I'm gonna do this. All right, let me just glue it. Alright, one side is done. Let's see the other side. Got glued on. I hate working with this shit, man. It fell on my hand. I caught it from far so it didn't burn me, but if you're like from close, it's gonna burn you. Alright, let me do it on this side. I'm sorry if I'm not on the camera. So let's see if this works. So there you go, guys. You have it. You saw it first on RG's own TV. Yeah, baby, yeah. So let's see if it's gonna be adjustable to 5. Let's see. There's a sweet spot. Like, it's all relevant how close it is, what touches. But on this one, because the metal is flat, the other pedal I have, it's curved, so it gives me a better. Anyways, I'm always working on 3. If not, look, I could do 3. I start with 3 and then I switch it to 6, to 5. I mean, but it's too much. 3 it would be enough, and you know why it would be enough? Because this specific rotation here, okay, it's a thorough metal. This thing, it doesn't recognize any jumps. It just goes. It doesn't feel any obstacles. It goes up and down. It's not like a coil machine. A coil machine, you have a margin of error with a coil machine, but not with this. This will penetrate because it's rotary and it's a thorough motor I'm using. It all is relevant to what you are using. Well, look at the needle tapping, tapping, tapping. You think it's not going to be enough? Good luck. But as I'm saying, it's 2000 megaamps on 3 volts. If you have something, 300 megaamps, by the way, I have one and it doesn't work. Like even at 12 volts, it barely moves. So you need more mega amps and less mega amps from what I have now. So if you use something in the thousands or in the close to the thousands, or between 600 and to 1,000, I think it would be good. But it wouldn't be working on 3 volts the way it's working on this one. It's gonna require higher voltage. And there you have it. This is how I did my bypass. Okay? So thanks for watching, guys. And go see my other videos, which are totally not related to this subject. So have fun. Thanks for watching. RG here, leaving you.